on vlogs. This is Don Pastrami's vlogs. Hi, I'm Don Pastrami.
And I'm Pilgar.
Welcome to another vlog of Don Vlogs. The last time I made a vlog was when I was in the human house and they all started chasing me at the end. They attacked me a couple times and I got a couple injuries until I'm free. And today's the first anniversary of me. I'm kidding. It's for the Alley Cats. Their first appearance was in the title call.
What, Don Pastrami? Why are you so scared?
I thought I saw something. Sorry about that, guys. Anyways, the title is called Spanish that they first appeared in. So anyways, I told all my club members that this party will be happening today.
What?
All of my club members from 2021, all the years.
Oh my goodness, chaos. Don, I think it's gonna be you who's gonna cause the chaos first.
Ain't no way I'm gonna cause chaos first. It could be one of my friends or my enemy or
You.
not me. Anyways, it could be my best friend or Dressy Boy or Schroeder or
You.
like I told you, Pilgar, it's not gonna be me. Remember, I don't make that much chaos, okay, Pilgar?
Okay.
Anyways, let me start over. So it could be one of my friends or my enemy or
You.
not for the last time. It's not gonna be me.
Oh, I thought you said to just start over again.
Anyways, everyone should be coming by now. And let's put on music. And I have no idea how to turn it on. So this is gonna be a very bad experience. I have no idea which button is. Maybe try the blue button first. You are now listening to a commercial. Nothing beats a jet
Oh
to
my God,
this commercial
right
again. Oh, thank God it stopped. Let's try the yellow button. You are now launching 100 windmills to your house. No! Windmill, this is not your fault. Yes, it is. Actually, no, it's not. Well, since you said that, yes, it is. Windmill, Indiana.
Yay!
Wait, I didn't even watch the cheering noises. No, this is not a very good experience. There's only 2 more buttons left. There is a random button and a random button. Which one should I pick? The purple or the pink? The purple or pink? Or purple or pink? Let's do purple. You are now launching an explosion to this house. No!
Don, what the fuck?
Oh, that really hurt, bro. I guess the pink one should do it. Guess that one should be the music. You are officially now playing music. Finally. Just kidding. You are going with Cool Kid. No! Hi, Don Pastrami. Why are you here? Do you like Sprite or Fanta? Fanta. Oh no, I mean corrupt nature. No! This is the second time this happened. There's no more buttons left. Pilgar, there's no buttons left.
Don Pastrami, you also have one of the sides too.
Oh, are you kidding? Let me see, Pilgar. Let me see. What?
I'm stupid!
Thanks, Pilgar, you saved my life, even though the explosion happened 2 times.
Look, Isabel, we're the first person here. Wow, I know Annabelle. We're so cool. Incoming one. Oh, yeah. We're party. Woo! This is fun.
Whoa, you look so tall. You look like a giraffe. And you look like a baby. A baby. Wow! Everybody say I go wood sleigh.
How you do? Tommy, you look so good.
Wow,
you look so good. You ready to win this all?
Tommy, you look like a rock star.
Oh my God, you look so fabulous.
Oh my God, you're so beautiful.
Oh, wow, is anybody gonna watch us?
Oh my god. I should take a picture. Take pose.
Oh, wow, is any... You're so nice, Tommy. I know. Oh my god! Oh, I forgot about you two. Sorry. Wow, thank you so much, baby. You're welcome, Annabelle and Isabel.
Guys, move out the way so that I can get through.
Pilger!
Pilger, you look so cute. You look so beautiful.
Wow. Hey. I can't believe it's the first year in Goldwood.
I know it. I'm not dreaming. This is actually for.
Wow! I can't believe it's your first year in Goldwood. Watching the first year song. Oh, it's time. Can you believe it is? It's the Allocats' first year at Goldwood. Can't you believe it's so good?
It's so good. My friend should share.
First anniversary,
My friends.
first anniversary. That's crazy. It's not a dream.
This is so crazy. It's wild.
This is so crazy. It's the world all around.
This is so crazy.
It's your first year at Goldwood. This is your first year at Goldwood. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Not you guys. I'm talking about the cats right here. La 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 la. It's right here.
I don't know. What am I doing? Pilger, you ruined the whole entire song.
Sorry.
This is crazy. If we can go on all the way alone, this is so crazy. Oh my world.
No, no, whoa, whoa, whoa. It's my turn, it's your boo. I'm your boo. This is your first year we go.
Wow, that was a great song. This is part 1. Part 2 will be coming soon.